I gotta delete the video if I complete all the obbies. So let's find some obby things. If we show to do it, we bring energy. We haven't in a little bit, but we didn't play it many times. We had the max time. We had originally 15, and we made everything, and I forgot. Hey, his name for Let's Wear Coffee. And for the last time in 2015, and because Lego left. He did a Let's Wear Coffee. Wait a minute. Wait, I'm sorry, Dad. So sorry. I found something else to do. I had it made the wrong way, and I just walked off. It would be easier to take care of you. So that was it. So that's the best. That's the best I know. Great rough-offs. I'm gonna make it drain them all up. All the people, three people likes my obby. We can't teleport anymore. No. You must hurry up. Hurry. It's not working. I have any coffee. We don't have any coffee. That'd be great. Last time I ate my ice cream. No, I don't have any ice cream. Because I had found something else, an idea. Because I cheated. Because this time is for losers. I had to fix it. And I had to let's go. Oh my shot. I made the greatest. I just flopping that patent, and we had great and very important business. This is challenging. I found something else to win challenging. Let's go find something else to do. There's a total of 100 stages. It made because it's too much. It was too much for 100 stages. So here are the demands. We have to find something else to do. I gotta jump over things. I fell down. I'm missing. Why is everybody frozen? Because everyone's frozen. Because I just walked off. Pretty easy. I found something else today. Next up, Subcribers. I don't have no real line. This line is a great next time the greatest 5 o'clock. We'll be late, we'll be late. We live on the island. So I found something that the fucking even destruction machine. And we have a really big destruction. Oh my god. Mommy, stop! Leave me alone because I'm recording. Me. So this recording's all mine. But we have found all the games. He's only gonna get greatest or least. I think it's called the Sharkbot because it relives in sharks. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for watching. To subscribe to my Wi-Fi. Yeah. Wi-Fi is find something to read. And the third is that one. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this video.